Hi, I'm Roger. Welcome to this edition of Crate Club. Today we're going to be making a paper astronaut project. Here's a finished example of what yours might look like depending upon how you choose to decorate it. Now in your pack, you're going to find a black circle, which is going to be our background. You're going to find this blue piece of paper, which is going to be part of the planet's surface, the water part. And you're going to find this long turquoise strip, which will represent the atmosphere of the planet. And from this green piece of paper, we're going to cut out some continents to put on the planet. Also in your pack, you will find several strips of paper. I'm going to show you right here. I've got 8 really long strips. These are going to be the arms and legs of the astronaut suit. Now we're going to have another 4 pieces of paper of varying sizes, which will be the middle part of the spacesuit and the space helmet. You'll also have 4 white circles of paper for the boots and the gloves, a little round piece of paper for the face, and then you'll also have a little pair of eyes to glue to the face, and several little round circles that you can use to decorate the spacesuit or decorate the background by using them as planets or stars. Now this project will require a lot of folding, and you will also need some glue and scissors and crayons, magic markers, or colored pencils. Now, with that said, let's get started. Once again, here is a finished example of the paper astronaut project. Now I'm going to set this aside, and we're going to start from the beginning with the background. And we're going to take this blue piece. This is going to be a portion of a planet, the water portion. We're going to glue it to the background. Now I'm going to take this turquoise piece, which will represent the planet's atmosphere. We're going to take this and we're going to glue it like so. Sometimes it takes a little bit to stick. You're going to want to hold it down a little and maybe put a little bit more glue on. Now I went ahead and I took my green piece of paper and I cut out 2 circles that we're going to use for continents or islands, whatever you want to call it. All right, there we go. The last thing which you might want to do, you could kind of trim the edges if they kind of go off the black circle a bit. You could kind of trim these. It's up to you. All right. Now I'm going to set this aside for a moment so we could focus on the astronaut. The first thing we're going to do for the astronaut, we're going to work on the arms and legs of the spacesuit. You'll see you have 8 strips of paper. Take 2 of them. Put some glue on the tip here of the left hand, the piece of paper that's on your left hand side. Take the right one and glue it on top of the left one. Keep pressing it down, get it to stick a little. Then we're going to take the left portion and fold it over the right, and the right portion and fold it over the left, and so on and so forth, and keep folding and folding and folding. I told you there'd be a lot of folding in this project. And we're going to keep going. And then we got this last one here, which we're going to glue down. And just press it, get it to stick. And what we have here is a little bit, it looks like an accordion. Dun, dun, dun. And I already went ahead and I created a few more. So there, we have the arms and legs of our spacesuit. Next, we're going to work on the body. So we're going to take this thick strip of paper here, and we're going to take it, and let me just stop and say, see, you will have this for the body. This is for the base of the head. I'll show you how that works later. This is for the helmet, and this one that's kind of curved on sides is for the shield on the helmet. But we're going to start with the body of the spacesuit. I'm going to put glue down like this. We're going to fold this into a loop, just like this. There we go. Now I already went ahead and I took this strip here for the helmet, and I already created one here that's done. And I have this one for the base of the head, okay? So we got these here, and we're going to leave these right here, and we're going to bring back our planet and outer space background. We're going to take the piece that's for the body of our spacesuit, and I'm going to put glue on the back of it, right where these ends meet. I'm going to put some more on the background. We're going to press it down. And keep pressing so it sticks in place. Then we're going to take the strip which we're using for our helmet, and we're going to glue it to the top. Just like that. Now we've got this one. This is for the base of the face. So we're going to put this inside. We'll put a little glue on it. Oops. There we go. Last, we have this here. This is for the shield for the helmet. We're going to save this for a minute, and we're going to put our face on. I already went ahead and I glued on my eyes and put a little smile on. You could make the face any color you like. There we go. Now let's attach the arms and legs of our spacesuit. What we want to do is hold this in place so that this sticks. It takes a while for the glue to dry. There we go. The arms, I'm just going to stick to the side here. Let's get some glue in there. There we go. All right. Hey, this astronaut is taking shape. Pretty cool. As I explained earlier, we have 4 circles of paper. 2 of these we're going to use as boots. It's cold in space, you know. There we go. The other 2 circles I cut so that they are in the shape of mittens. You could do gloves, you could do whatever you like. Or you could leave them round. Now let's get this one on. Oops. There we go. Now we've got this strip of paper sitting here. What is this again? This is the face shield for the helmet. It's going to go just like this. So our astronaut is protected from the bright glare of the sun. This is going to be something that you'll need to hold in place for a little while and be very patient while it sticks. Now we're just going to add some final touches to the astronaut, and I'm not going to do the whole thing. I'm going to show you what you can do. You can take, you have 13 white dots, and I colored this one blue. I'm going to glue it right here. I took another one, I colored it yellow. Maybe it'll be a star or a planet. There we go. And now it's up to you. You can color this spacesuit any color you like. You can decorate it any color you like. And you could use as many dots as stars or planets or little decorations for the astronaut's outfit. It's all up to you. Once again, here's a finished example of our paper astronaut project. I hope you enjoyed today's Create Club, and I'll see you again really soon.